Friends, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I want to share with you a secret command that you can use to quickly open up private character editor on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So just bear with me for a couple of seconds so that I can share with you this command. So how do you do it? Press the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar and type in run. Open up the run command here. Now on the left hand side, just simple type in EUDCEDIT, right? So all you have to do is type that in and you want to go ahead and simple click and enter. And you will see that it quickly opens up the private character editor here in your Windows PC. How cool is that? If you didn't know about this, guys, you want to check this out. It's easy. It's a very easy command. You can find it in the description of this video. It's EUDC edit, and you can simply go ahead and easily open up the private character editor here in Windows. I know for some of you may be wondering what? I know for some of you may be wondering what? How I didn't know about this? Well, that's why I'm here to share with you these different commands so that you can learn about these secret commands in Windows. And guys, if you'd like to see more commands, just simply check the playlist at the end of this video where I'm sharing with you these secret commands that you can quickly use and learn about on Windows PC. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.